Hello viewers, hope you're all doing good. I'm Venkat and this is just me an open source channel. This is not a technical video. I just want to give you a quick update on how I organize my channel and how I respond to the comments. I do the videos. At the moment I'm doing Elasticsearch and Kubernetes series. Kubernetes series is going very well and I'm releasing a video every week on Monday. So my videos in the Learn Kubernetes series are named Cube One, Cube Two, Cube Three, and so on. So as of now, I think I'm at video 42. And the update that I want to give you is whenever I do a video and if I miss something, um, or if a user or if a viewer asks me some questions that I can't explain in detail in the comment section, I would do a follow-up video on that. So how would you find the follow-up video for the same topic? So, for example, Cube 34. If you search for Cube 34, all my the naming convention is cube followed by the number of that video. So I did a video on the Kubernetes logs monitoring. So that's Cube 34, and a user asked me how you can customize the EFK deployment. I used Rancher to deploy the EFK in Kubernetes, but he wants more details, which I can't really explain. I tried to explain him in the comment section, but it would be more useful if I show him a video of how exactly to do it. So that would be very helpful, not only for him but for every other viewers. So I decided to do a follow-up video on that, and the naming convention will be Cube 34 Discussion 1. So that will be my naming convention going forward. If there's a video and if I want to add anything to that video, or if I want to change something which I did incorrectly in the original video, I'll do a follow-up video and you can find the name will be the same, Cube 34 and Cube 34, and it will be discussion 1, discussion 2, discussion 3, and so on. So if you've got any doubts or any questions, and that I can't answer it in the comment section, which needs a detailed explanation and which might be useful to every other viewers, I'll make it a video, and then the naming convention will be the same name followed by discussion 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, cool. That's all I wanted to share. A quick update going forward. This will be my organization structure. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you enjoy my playlists. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.